You've probably heard it before. Walking? That's too slow to make a real difference. But what if I told you that walking, yes, just walking, can actually be one of the most effective tools in your fat-burning toolbox? Not only is it low impact and easy on the joints, but when done strategically, walking can ignite your metabolism, torch stubborn belly fat, and completely transform your energy levels, especially if you're over 40 and tired of punishing workouts that leave you sore, frustrated, and burnt out. In this video, I'm going to reveal 8 science-backed walking hacks that go beyond basic steps. These aren't just walk more tips. You'll learn how to time your walks, adjust your pace, and use specific techniques that train your body to burn fat more efficiently, even while you're resting. And the best part? You don't need fancy gear, a gym membership, or intense cardio. Just your own 2 feet, and a willingness to move smarter. Oh, and don't miss hack number 8. It's so powerful. It's used by firefighters and military trainees to stay lean, strong, and mission-ready, without ever running a single step. Let's dive in. Hack number 1. Walk right after eating. This hack is so simple, most people overlook it completely. But once you start doing it, you'll wonder why you didn't try it sooner. Just take a short walk, around 2 to 5 minutes, right after you eat. Yes, that's really all it takes. Why does this work so well? Because after every meal, especially one with carbs, your blood sugar naturally rises. In response, your body releases insulin, the hormone that helps process that sugar. But here's the catch. Insulin doesn't just handle sugar, it also signals your body to store fat. Now, here's where the magic happens. Research shows that walking right after a meal can reduce that blood sugar spike by up to 30%. That's huge. Lower blood sugar means your body releases less insulin, which means less fat storage, fewer sugar crashes, and fewer cravings later on. Plus, it jumpstarts digestion and can help with issues like bloating, heaviness, or sluggishness after meals, especially in women over 40, when metabolism naturally slows down. And you don't need to power walk or schedule a workout. Just finish your meal, stand up, and take a casual stroll, around your home, your garden, or even while doing light chores. It's gentle, relaxing, and incredibly effective. Honestly, it's one of the easiest metabolism hacks you can start doing today. Hack number 2. Walk before breakfast. Here's a powerful secret that fitness pros and health experts swear by. Walking before breakfast. When you wake up in the morning, your body is in its most natural fat-burning state. You've been fasting all night, your insulin levels are low, and your body is primed to use stored fat for energy. But the moment you eat, even something healthy, insulin rises and shuts off that fat-burning mode. So instead of heading straight to the kitchen, try this. Lace up your shoes and take a gentle 10 to 20 minute walk before breakfast. This simple morning habit can burn up to 20% more fat compared to walking after eating. But that's not all. It also triggers a surge in growth hormone, increasing levels by up to 300%. This powerful hormone helps you burn fat, preserve lean muscle, and improve metabolism, especially important as we age. And if you can do your walk outside in natural sunlight, even better. Morning light exposure resets your circadian rhythm, which helps you sleep better at night, feel more energized during the day, and even lower hunger hormones like ghrelin. So this isn't just a fat loss hack, it's a full body reset button that takes less than 20 minutes. Hack number 3. Add intervals to your walk. Ready to take your walk from easy exercise to a fat-burning machine without running? It's time to add intervals. Here's how it works. Start your walk at a comfortable pace. After a couple of minutes, pick up the pace, walk fast enough that you're slightly out of breath, but still able to talk. Do this for 30 to 60 seconds, then return to your normal pace for a minute or 2. Repeat this cycle for the entire walk. This technique is called interval walking, and it's been shown in studies to burn more belly fat, boost cardiovascular health, and improve insulin sensitivity better than steady walking alone. The key is alternating intensity. Those short bursts of speed spike your heart rate, forcing your body to tap into stored fat for energy even after the walk is over. And here's the best part. No gym, no treadmill, no running. Just smart walking that gets results. You can even turn this into a fun challenge. Walk to the next tree, then slow down until the next mailbox. Simple, effective, and surprisingly fun. Hack number 4. Walk uphill or on an incline. Want to turn your walk into a powerful fat-burning workout without going any faster? Just add an incline. Walking uphill or on an incline activates more muscles, especially your glutes, calves, hamstrings, and core. But the real magic? It boosts your heart rate and calorie burn, without the joint stress of running. In fact, walking at just 3 miles per hour up a hill can burn as many calories as jogging on a flat surface. And it forces your body to work harder, tapping into deep fat stores, especially around the belly. You don't need a mountain. A treadmill with a slight incline or a neighborhood hill works perfectly. Just 10 to 15 minutes a few times a week is enough to challenge your muscles and supercharge your metabolism. Bonus: walking uphill also strengthens your posture and balance, crucial benefits, especially for people over 40. So the next time you head out for a walk, take the high road. Literally. Hack number 5, add intervals to your walk. If you want to burn more fat in less time, this hack is for you. It's called interval walking, and it turns your regular walk into a metabolic fat-burning furnace. Here's how it works. Instead of walking at one steady pace, you alternate between fast bursts and normal pace. For example, walk briskly for 30 to 60 seconds, then slow down for the next 1 to 2 minutes. Repeat this cycle for 15 to 20 minutes. Why does this matter? Short bursts of intensity spike your heart rate, torch calories, and create what's called an afterburn effect, where your body keeps burning fat even after you've stopped walking. According to studies, interval walking can double your fat loss compared to walking at a steady pace. And here's the best part. You don't have to sprint. Just walk faster, arms swinging, heart pumping, breathing deeper. Start with just a few intervals, and build up as your stamina improves. This is fat loss on autopilot. No gym, no equipment, no excuses. Hack number 6, fix your posture while walking. Believe it or not, the way you carry yourself while walking can make a huge difference in how much belly fat you burn. Most people slouch when they walk, shoulders rounded, head down, core loose. But when you fix your posture, you activate key muscles that turn a casual stroll into a mini core workout. Here's what to do. Keep your back straight, not rigid. Roll your shoulders back and down. Keep your chin level, eyes forward, not down at your phone. Most importantly, engage your core. Gently pull your belly button toward your spine as you walk. This simple adjustment fires up your deep abdominal muscles, improves your balance and breathing, and boosts your calorie burn without extra effort. Bonus: good posture makes you look taller, more confident, and leaner instantly. So the benefits are both internal and external. Small tweak, big results. Hack number 7, add light weights to your walks. Want to supercharge your walk and burn significantly more fat without hitting the gym? Add light weights to your walks. That's right, just 1 to 3 pounds of added resistance, either in the form of ankle weights, wrist weights, or small hand dumbbells, can turn your casual stroll into a full body fat burning session. Here's how it works. When you add resistance, your body works harder. Your heart rate increases. Your muscles engage more deeply, especially in your arms, legs, and core, and your calorie burn can spike by 15 to 30% depending on the intensity. But here's the real magic. Using light weights also preserves muscle mass, which is crucial for anyone over 40. Muscle burns more calories at rest, so the more you maintain, the faster your metabolism stays over time. Plus, with wrist weights, every swing of your arm becomes a mini bicep and shoulder workout. With ankle weights, your glutes and thighs get a lift too. Pro tip: don't go heavy. Heavy weights can strain your joints during long walks. Start light, focus on good form, and let the consistency do the work. Over time, these light additions can lead to visible toning, less belly fat, and a stronger, leaner body, just from walking. Hack number 8, the weighted backpack trick, used by firefighters and soldiers. This final hack is a secret weapon used by firefighters, military trainees, and elite hikers to build stamina and burn massive amounts of fat without ever running a step. It's called rucking, and it's as simple as adding a weighted backpack to your walk. Here's how to do it. Just take an old backpack, throw in 5 to 15 pounds of weight, like books, water bottles, or sandbags, and wear it while you walk. What happens next is amazing. Your body starts working much harder to carry the extra weight. You burn up to 2-3x more calories than a normal walk. You build stronger legs, glutes, and core muscles, without putting stress on your joints. Unlike running or jumping, this method is low impact, meaning it's perfect for people over 40 who want to protect their knees and back while still getting a powerful cardio and strength workout. Even a short 20-minute ruck can help shred belly fat, improve posture, and increase your endurance. No treadmill, no gym, no fancy gear, just a backpack and your willpower. Start small. Use 5 to 10 pounds and stick to flat ground first. Once you're comfortable, try upstairs or hills for next-level fat burning. So, next time you head out for a walk, throw on a backpack, and walk your way into a leaner, stronger body, just like the pros. So there you have it, 8 simple walking hacks that can completely transform your body, boost your metabolism, and help you melt away stubborn belly fat without the need for crazy workouts or expensive equipment. But now it's your turn. Which of these hacks are you going to try first? Have you already been using any of them without even realizing their full power? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you found this video helpful, do me a quick favor, like this video, share it with someone who's on a fitness journey, and don't forget to subscribe for more natural, science-backed health tips coming your way every week. Thanks for watching, And until next time, keep walking strong.